Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll show you how to make one of my favorite appetizers, eggplant rolls stuffed with a walnut and cream cheese filling. This recipe is my own combination of a few different recipes inspired by Georgian cuisine. It's rich, creamy, a little nutty, and absolutely delicious. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it really helps. For this recipe, I'll use 2 large eggplants, fresh cilantro, 1 cup of walnuts, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a mix of spices, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And because eggplant rolls in Georgia are traditionally garnished with pomegranate arils, I'll also use 1 pomegranate. Start by cutting the tops and bottoms off the eggplants. Then slice them lengthwise into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Lay the slices flat on a surface lined with aluminum foil or a tray. And sprinkle them generously with about 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Let them rest for about 15 minutes. While the eggplants are resting, we can prepare the filling. Add the walnuts, about 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro, garlic, and dry spices to a blender or food processor. Blend for about a minute until the mixture becomes smooth. Then transfer the walnut mixture to a mixing bowl and combine it with 4 ounces of cream cheese. Add the remaining 1/4 tablespoon of salt and mix everything well. Now let's go back to the eggplant slices. You can already see how much extra liquid the salt has pulled out. This helps remove bitterness and also keeps the eggplant from absorbing too much oil when frying. Wipe each slice dry with a paper towel. You can bake the eggplant slices in the oven if you prefer, but today I'll fry them in a large skillet with about 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat, working in batches. If the eggplant absorbs too much oil, add a little more as needed. Cook each slice for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and tender. Do not overcook them. We want the slices soft and flexible, but not falling apart. Continue until all the eggplant slices are cooked. Once they're ready, start with the slices you cooked first, since they will already have cooled down a little. Take one slice, add about a teaspoon of the walnut and cream cheese filling to the short end, and gently roll it up. If needed, secure it with a toothpick, just like I do, and place it on a plate. Repeat with the remaining slices until all the rolls are done. Garnish them with pomegranate arils and serve warm, or chill them in the refrigerator first. They taste even better cold. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you try it. And as always, thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.